Did you know if you get the video from the project window or source monitor or even timeline, you can drop it on the timeline from the project monitor in several ways. Insert before. It places the video on the left side before the nearest cut from the playhead. Insert after. Places the video on the right side before the nearest cut to the playhead. Insert. Insert will split the video from the playhead and inserts it inside. Replace. We'll replace the video on the first track with the video you stand with a playhead. Also, you can select a video on the timeline and replace it on any video track. Overwrite. We'll overwrite the video on the first track from the playhead. Overlay. Drops the video on top of the existing videos so that you don't overwrite and replace any of the existing videos. They will stay in those places. That's all. Thanks for watching Premiere Pro Quick Tips.